welcome back. So today, it's not very often if you take all your interior out of your car and put it back, but I haven't had interior in this car for a long time. And like I said in the last video, we're transitioning this thing back into more of a street strip kind of vibe. So I'm gonna get most of the interior cleaned up, get it cut so that way it fits around the cage and stuff in the back, and make sure we have a nice and tidied up interior. I am going to clean up some of the stuff up here, like the switch panel. Like I made a panel for here and I made a panel for over there. I'm going to clean that up and then get this to fit a little better, and I'll probably get 2 new vent covers for here and over there just to clean up the dashboard as well. But let's just get into putting all this stuff back in, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So it's been a little while. I ended up doing this side off camera because I wanted to basically get the cut right for the cage. Obviously I cut it a little bigger, but you know, it works for how it is. I've got the bottom panel in, the top panel in, the over panel that goes all the way down and all the way down that side, the kick panel over here, obviously the door trims, and then the door panel itself. I am going to take a little bit of black trim paint and paint over a lot of this little stuff where there's scratches. This guy put staples on this thing. That side I'm going to have to work out real hard to cover up all this stuff. Use some actual good epoxy, like the 3M spray on epoxy that you would use for like headliners and the rest of that good stuff. But I'm going to go on the other side, show you guys how to install that side at least, and let's get to it. So on this side you have this big old piece of panel right here that goes from up there all the way up and over and about stops around here before it connects to the back panel in this area. Now you also have this panel here, and then obviously you get your door trim and then the big panel in the back, which I already chopped up back there. So let's get this thing slid in. All right, people, so it's been a few days later, but I've got the door panel over here situated as best as I can. I'm not expecting perfection, but I'm expecting a little bit of nicer interior overall. As you can see, that side is in. We've got our kick panel here in, got our door sill in, our back panel, our upper panel, as you saw me install all of this stuff in. This one was a bit of a pain in the butt because I had to re-drill the holes for my shift light. I got the panel to fit a little better over there. Gonna get 2 new vent covers, as I said, and figure out something to put in that hole for the gauge cluster. But overall, can't complain about how this looks. Take a short break and put this thing on wide lens so you guys can see a little better. There we go. So yeah, now you guys can see a little bit better with how the cage looks. I know these seats aren't matching. I'm probably gonna pick up 2 Kirky seats for it. And then the obviously the whole dashboard and all this stuff, how it's turned out, looking nice as it should. No, I'm not doing the whole headliner spiel. I started doing a sticker bomb up there. I'm probably going to leave that like it is and just continue as I go. As you can see, the back panels, just like I said, they're both cut. If you guys end up doing, let's say like mini tubs in the back, you will end up cutting them pretty far up in this area, or if you want to look, it'd be somewhere above that line. It'd be somewhere for if you did a mini tub on one of these cars. So just a reference. And yeah, came out pretty nice to me, honestly. Can't complain. We just got the car serviced, put on a new anti-roll bar tab on the back. Basically just the end link was bad. Switch you guys back over into 4K. There we go. Get you guys a little bit better quality. But yeah, got the car all serviced up. We went with a lot thicker oil than we were running before. I was running 1540. Now we are on 2050 Valvoline VR1 oil. Car really likes it, in my opinion. Also got the boost controller fixed. It is powered up now, so we'll be able to add more boost, make more power. But none of that stuff matters. Today was just an interior video. Hope you guys enjoy everything we have done today. It's looking nice and clean. If you come in here, got your switch for your party lights in the back. They're white. They look a little purplish on this camera, but it's real nice in here now. It's real comfortable. You get in there, it's, you know, feels like a car again. At least a complete street car. But yeah, I can't complain. Very happy with how this thing is. Hope you guys come back and join us for hopefully our next time is going to be at the track and enjoying this thing as it is. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.